अंग्रेजी जबान में तकरीर करने के लिए मैं दावत देता हूँ अजीजम आयान सल्लल्लाहु।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to give a short speech on Independence Day. My name is Muhammad Ayan Ansari. Today I am going to give a short speech on Independence Day. It is our 79th Independence Day. Today we must take part in the events with devotion. It is very important to honor the flag, sing and national anthem. We must remember our brave freedom fighter on this day. We should dress like Saiful Hind, Maulana Mahmudul Hasan Deobandi, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madni, Maulana Qasim Nanotvi, Hafiz Jameen Shahi Rahmatullah alayhi in order to remember them. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian must celebrate the day together. It is also holy day today. It is a very blessing to address you all. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Assalamu alaikum.